Hi, the question is asking us about cellular morphology of Bacillus subtilis. So, if I talk about the morphology, this Bacillus subtilis, this is motile and this is gram positive. This is gram positive and this is rod shaped bacteria. This is how this is rod shaped bacteria that occurs as short chains. This occurs as short chains, small clumps, and it occurs as a single cell. It occurs as a single cell, and this is heterotrophic. This is heterotrophic bacteria. This Bacillus subtilis. This is heterotrophic, means they are dependent on the other organism for their food, and they are having peritrichous. They are having